It's a boy, folks. Look at that. What a beautiful crab. Getting out for some Dungeness crab today. Looks like it's a good day out on the water. For lunch. Let's see if we can get some lunch. Look at that. Just floating around. Just lovely. What a beautiful day to be out here to catch, cook, and eat. With me, Dave. Let's get our trap in the water, shall we? It's a beautiful day out here, folks, on the Pacific Northwest. Here we go, down we go. We're doing it about 85 feet. Bye-bye. Okay. Wow. Look at the claws on these red rock crabs. The size limit is 4.5 inches and they have to be male across. So let's see, look at those claws, and that's definitely size. And that's a male, but you know what? I don't really want to eat him. I think we're going to let him fight for another day. I think that's only fair. See you later, big boy. Thanks for visiting. You can cook with Dave. And here's the other boy. Let's see. Oh, he's big claw with that one. Let's go. Let's see if that's a boy. And you know what? I really don't feel like killing anything today. It's a boy, folks. Look at that. What a beautiful crab. All right, buddy. We'll see you later. Take care. See you soon. Bye.